In this guide, you'll learn how to locate items with your tag and Find My. Let's get started. I'm going to show you how to use your tag and the Find My app to keep track of your personal items like keys, backpacks, and more. First, launch your Find My app and tap Items. Then select the your tag connected item you want to locate. If it's within Bluetooth range, tap play sound to hear a series of chimes that guide you to your item. On supported iPhone models, you can also use Find Nearby to see precise distance and direction information, with your iPhone vibrating as you get closer. If your item is out of Bluetooth range, tap Directions to open maps and get directions to its last known location. You can swipe up for more options, like sharing your tag with up to 5 other people so they can help locate it. If you can't find your tag, use show contact info to mark it as a lost, creating a message with your contact details that anyone with an NFC capable device can access. You can also share item location with a trusted person for a limited time. In the notification section, enable notify when found to get alerts if your tag goes out of range, and notify when left behind to set trusted locations where you won't be notified. Finally, in settings, you can rename your tag, remove it from your Apple account, or stop sharing altogether. And that's how you can use your tag to keep track of your most important things. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.